Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome to Basic Maths with Maths Ajit. Let's solve this simple examination question. The question says, work out the angle for X, Y, and Z in this triangle. Please remember the triangle is not drawn to scale. Before we solve, please click the like button, share these videos for others to see. Now, when you study this triangle, you'll discover that this side and this side are equal. Now, this is an isosceles triangle where the two base angles are what? Equal. That is, the two base angles facing each other are what? Equal. Now, for us to solve, let's say, let X and Y be equal to A. We are going to use A to represent X and what? Y. So, if I redraw this diagram, I'm going to have something like this. This is angle A, then what? 64. Then this is equal to this. So we are using A to replace X and what? Y. Now, I will know that one of the properties of triangle says that the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So the sum of this is 180 degrees. So I'm going to have A plus 64 to give me equal to 180 degrees. Now, A plus A will give me 2A plus 64 is equal to 180 degrees. Now, I'm going to have 2A is equal to 180 minus 64. Plus 64 crossing the equality sign will give me minus 64. So, this is 2A is equal to 180. Take away 64 will give me 116. Now, to get the value of A, I will divide both sides with what? 2. 2 will cancel itself and left with A. So my A is equal to 2 in 116 will give me 58. So the value of my A is 58, meaning that here is 58. This side is what? 58. Now, meaning that my X, since we said let X and Y be A, meaning that here is 58, here is what? 58. Now, how do we get for the value of Z? To get the value of Z, the Z is outside, that is, it is an exterior angle. Now, there is a property of triangle that says that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite what? Angles. Now, these are the two interior opposite angles facing Z. So meaning that Z is equal to the sum of 64 and 58. So I'm going to have that Z is equal to 64 plus 58. What is the reason? The exterior angle is equal to the two interior, is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. So if I add them, I'm going to have 64 plus 58 to give me 122 degrees. So my Z is 122 degrees. So my X is 58, my Y is 58 degrees, then my Z is 122 degrees as my answer. Thank you for having me today. Bye-bye.